I am leaving. And you can't stop me.
We're out of here. The car is fully packed. As much stuff as possibly could, it could take. Let's see. We have 6 hours ahead. No, 5. 5 to Portsmouth, Leeds to Portsmouth. Not that bad.
Not too bad.
And yeah, just gonna log this wonderful journey. So excited.
Yes. So we're heading to Barcelona.
Yes. First time I've ever driven in Spain.
Ferry to Santander. And then, yeah. It's about to go down. We got all the snacks.
Portsmouth to Santander. Santander to Barcelona. Takes 7 hours from Santander to Barcelona. 36 hours on a ferry. Yeah, it's gonna be insane, but it's okay. You'll come with us.
We'll review the trip and give you some helpful tips. Hopefully, well, I won't, but she will.
Okay, peace out. I did research other options for this trip. Our other option was to go from Dover to Calais in France through the English Channel, but this just resulted in over 20 plus hours of driving, which I was not going to do. But the ferry was definitely worth the cost in the end, as the total driving time was way less. So we just went through the first checkpoint. So basically somebody at the reception, they ask for your passport, they'll check it, and then you get it back. You get a little tag to hang on your rearview mirror, which I've just pulled off. And then yeah, you get your passports back and a room key if you've booked a cabin, of course. I think they also have like chairs that you can book, but I don't really see how that works because you need to sleep. This particular ferry is 36 hours, so I don't understand how that works if you don't have a cabin to sleep in.
Thankfully, we have a cabin.
Yeah, I mean, so you definitely can't just stay in your car for 36 hours.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe there's communal bathrooms as well, because we obviously have our own bathroom, so I don't really know what's going on for these other folks.
Yeah.
No shade.
Very excited, prepared. Anyway, we're now in a queue of traffic jam well, it's a traffic jam of cars. So we will
It's just to get on the ferry though. It's not crazy. It's not crazy busy.
show you that and then show you us boarding.
Deuces.
I don't know. I don't even know what cabin we're in. It said to make a note of which cabin we're in. I think they all went this way. Yeah. I remember them going this way. Exit. This way?
Will be flashing for the attention of hearing impaired people.
Oirán una señal de alarma constituida por 7 señales acústicas cortas y una larga. Todos los pasajeros se dirijan hacia un punto de reunión y sigan las instrucciones de la tripulación. Se les entregará.
So, this is a little TV section. You got 4 beds. 1, 2. Fake window.
Like this, you ready?
Love this.
Oh, the shot.
Go. You love it? Nice. And then 1, 2. So 4 beds. Where are you sleeping? Where do you want to sleep? Up? You're gonna go up high?
Well, I don't mind.
Okay. Oh yeah, actually, I guess that makes sense. Then we got storage space. Okay, so let's see this bathroom.
Jesus, no, I'm just kidding. It's perfectly
Oh, it's actually decent size.
not too bad.
This is nice.
Attention s'il vous plaît. Pour des raisons de sûreté, nous vous prions de
The what?
ne pas laisser vos bagages sans surveillance.
sunset.
Merci.
So they had a little workout station on deck at the very top of the ship, and I would not recommend. These were very old. As it was called Brittany Ferries, I naturally thought it was a British company, but turns out it's owned by a private French company, so of course their flag is everywhere. This also includes the food options on deck. They are also French in the main restaurants. Now, can you see this? Let us try and focus. But the moon has been lit up by the sun. You just see it over the horizon. You know, it's gorgeous. So pretty. I wish I had my camera on my phone. Trying to make a picture. I bet you get the drift. Good morning, world. Well, this is technically the last full day on deck, but this is the morning, and it's really nice and warm. Don't even need this jacket, so I'm probably gonna take off. And although it's like overcast, it's lovely. You do have to pay for Wi-Fi on board. You get 30 minutes of free Wi-Fi a day, which I know for Gen Z/millennials, that is not enough. Your phone signal will also be terrible, so just don't expect to be able to make many calls or check your location on Google Maps, for example. After lounging around on deck all day, we decided to book at the restaurant. There are two. There's the main one and the private lounge. We booked at the main one. I would highly recommend getting the starter buffet, not the set menu one. Also, the main menu, I would say the translation was a little bit off because mine was very different to what was described, but still a great meal, very filling. They had a digital playroom for the kids right next to the restaurant. And this is us trying to check if we could go down to the car to check and see if we can get something out of our bags. I really wanted my camera, but as you can see, there's no access. Not even by the stairs, not even by the lifts. So definitely bear that in mind. Get everything you need out the car beforehand. They also have cable TV, which is great. We could access French channels, English channels, and Spanish from the rooms. In the morning, I had a hotel-style breakfast, which was very surprising. I was not expecting this much option. They also had a dry buffet, like continental breakfast. Definitely recommend, especially if you have a long road journey ahead, like I did. I had 7 hours left to get to Barcelona, so definitely fueled me for the journey. Last but not least, don't forget about the tolls on the road. So have extra cash or a card to hand and be able to hand this to your passenger, because this will be on the opposite side to the driver's side, as we are now in the EU. We filmed until we reached the Torre de Osborne, and then we definitely made it to Barcelona because we had pizza later on and we definitely went out that night. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I hope it will help you plan your trip in the future. Portsmouth to Santander.